I got this Brightown clear cord clips. There are 25 clips and you have 30 stickers, adhesive cables clip stickers, and it's a clear clip that you can see right there. These clips come with 3M stickers. They're very adhesive and they're very strong, very firm. And one thing that I like about this is that they're suitable for dry, flat surface indoor and outdoor. Before you use this, you have to make sure that you wipe off the dirt, any dirt right there. If you're going to clip it, it can be clipped, of course, indoor and outdoor. You can use it on wood, metal, glass, fence, ceiling, solid walls, and even table. I love that they're waterproof. They have can resist high and low temperature. As you can see, as I peel this off, I can easily attach it onto the surface that I want. Make sure you attach it going upwards. I also like that these cord clips can be removed without damaging the surface. These clips can handle weight of Christmas lights, any festive lights, decorative lights. You can use it for so many things. And I like the fact that, as you can see, the cords are movable. So it has gap enough so that you can loosen the length of your lights and you can even make them sag and do whatever. I absolutely love the final result. I love how everything came together and it just makes everything look so good. So this is definitely a positive purchase and I absolutely love it.